What's going on, folks? My name is Lucas and I run a marketing agency, Lefevre Solutions. We do websites and social media lead generation through awesome campaigns. Today I'm going to show you guys actually how to rank your website better in Google with a recent policy change, but also I got some good feedback on my last video about how to get a gray verification check mark, and I thought this would be another opportunity to show you guys how to get more traffic. So you may have not known, but Google actually made a policy change on how they're actually, showcasing their websites. And if you don't have an SSL certificate, which is a security sockets layer, all it is it's actually encrypting the information on your websites. It's making sure the visitor data is secure, and a lot of outdated websites don't actually have that certificate. So what Google is now doing is, through a Google search, if your website is unsecure, they're now prompting users and telling them your connection to this site is unsecure, and in some cases actually saying, hey, are you sure you want to navigate to this site? This website is unsecure and we cannot guarantee the authenticity of your information, and just, making sure that it's safe. So that's something you need to address immediately if your site does not have an HTTPS, and you can do that through just going in your web host. As you can see on my website here, lefevresolutions.com, the website is secure, the visitor's information is secure, but even on a local business that I tried to work with, Jacksonville Beach Dentistry, their website is unsecure. And so what that ultimately means is you're losing trust with the visitor, and you're not ranking as best as you could in Google. Google is prioritizing the secure websites first. So by just getting that secure, that SSL certificate established on your website, that's going to give you a great upper hand over your competition, and I think it's a great way to grow your business. So if you need help doing that, go through your web host, ask them, or if you need any additional help, shoot me a DM or whatever, and I can actually just guide you in your specific case to how to get your website secure. Hope you folks enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next video.